Steeper declines for Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation ETF. This one-time pandemic darling down 66% this year, thanks in large part to declines in one of its top holdings, Tesla. That stock down now 35% this month, 20% this week alone.
Starting with Tesla, shares dropping more than 6% to a new 2-year plus low today.
It really is true that Cathie Wood is the kiss of death.
Roller coaster of gains and losses. And no one knows this better than Cathie Wood, the founder of ARK Innovation. But this year, her fund has been on a downward spiral, losing 66% of its value in just 12 months. So, what went wrong with this one-time pandemic darling? One of Wood's top holdings, Tesla, has been a major contributor to her fund's poor performance. The stock is down 65% year-to-date, finally bouncing off an insane low of $101. But it's not just Tesla that's dragging Wood's fund down. All of her funds have collapsed by around 50% or more. ARK's flagship innovation fund is down by more than 50% for the year and an astonishing 80% from its all-time high. So what is Wood's strategy that's led to these declines? Well, it turns out that Wood has a diverse portfolio of holdings, including companies like Tesla, Square, Teladoc Health, and other companies working on cutting-edge technologies such as 3D printing, robotics, and biotechnology. These companies that Cathie focuses on are highly beta coefficient driven, meaning she is taking more risk by piling money into these names. However, the old saying goes, the more risk you take, the more return there is available if you can come out alive in the end.
In terms of our strategies, we, during downturns, concentrate towards our highest conviction names. History would suggest that that concentration strategy plays out very well in the subsequent rebounds.
It is also very important to take into consideration what the economy and specifically the Fed have been doing this last year.
We know that we're getting a lot of deflationary signals, but the Fed isn't really buying into that yet. And we also know that the market always leads the Fed. So inflation will come down, and innovation actually is going to be part of that equation.
With high inflation and increasing interest rates, high growth and disruptive technologies are bound to take a hit. But while the rest of the market is focused on inflation, Wood has been betting billions of dollars on deflation. But is she right? And with Wood's funds down 60 to 80% since February of 21. Some may be wondering if it's time to turn defensive. So, is 2023 the year of race gains for Cathie Wood and her ARK Innovation ETF?
This once in a century is not an understatement.
Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure. This fund is definitely not for the faint of heart. What do you think about Cathie Wood's investment strategy? Do you think she is on the right track, or are her funds in for more trouble in 2023? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more updates on anything finance.